Hey everybody, welcome to episode 25 of Estate Planning TV. I'm your host, Christopher Small, and this is the internet's most passionate show about estate planning. How's it going, everybody? Hopefully you had a happy Thanksgiving. I know that dates this episode, I don't care. I also want to say that I'm really excited about this episode because I think I finally solved the audio quality issue that has been plaguing the last couple of episodes. And you may not have noticed it, but I want to put out a good product, and I was having some problems getting the audio recorded with the video, but I think I've got that all fixed. So if it sounds bad, let me know. Leave a comment, tell me, and I'll keep working to make it better. Today, though, I kind of want to go on a little bit of a rant, all right? And let me put this into context before I kind of really get into it. I had somebody come into my office yesterday who was involved in a probate that I'm helping out with, and they were mad. No real great way to put that. They were mad. They didn't think that things were going fairly. They were having some communication issues, and so I sat down with them and I talked to them for probably half an hour or so, and what eventually came out of this was that it didn't matter about the money. It didn't matter about the probate. There were just some sort of long-term relationship issues that were finally able to be expressed by this person in this way, and the way that things went out, or the way that things are going on, have kind of allowed these feelings to sort of rise to the surface and come out. And basically the conversation that I had with this person is the same conversation that I want to have with you if you are looking at this. So if you are looking for ways to kick off your personal representative, if you're looking for ways to prolong the process, if you're looking for ways to contest probate, this video is not the right video for you. Okay, there will be other videos that will give that to you. This video is really about kind of getting over yourself, okay? And there's no real nice way to put this. Part of my job as an estate planning attorney, as a probate attorney, is to help everyone through this process and actually get it done and get things done the right way. And it's really hard to do that if everyone is acting like a bunch of spoiled children. The point here is really to implore you, to ask you to take a step back, right? Take a step back and think about the reason that you're having the feelings that you're feeling, okay? I'm not trying to diminish those feelings. I'm not trying to minimize those feelings. I'm not trying to tell you that those feelings aren't warranted. But what I am trying to tell you is that this is a process that you can extend for a long time, that you can make difficult, that you can take revenge on, that you think will make you feel better, but it won't. It won't make the loss of your loved one hurt any less. It won't make the feelings that you have for those family members that you don't get along with, it won't make those feelings any better. The true way to get past this, to move on, is to really have a conversation, give everyone an opportunity to be heard, and then just move forward and get over it. Imagine if you saw your kids fighting, what would you tell them? That's what I tell them. Listen to each other. If you're still angry, I don't care, move on, right? In the grand scheme of things, it's not that big of a deal. So that's what this video is about. It's just a little ranty. I know that when money and family dynamics get together, it can be an interesting conversation. It can be an interesting dynamic. It can be an interesting situation. So I wanted to just create this video just in case you are one of those people that's struggling right now with this process, that's struggling with the way that your family is treating you, or that you feel like they're treating you, or that you're treating someone else, with malice or with hatred or with anger and frustration, right? Try to subdue those feelings. Try to get past those feelings. See the bigger picture. Remember that these should be the people that are closest to you, and that although I'm not in every family, I know the dynamics from family to family are completely different. I do know that at the end of this process, when you are done with your process, you're not going to feel any better whether you were grumpy and angry the whole time and vindictive, or whether you were cooperative and helpful and made your voice heard, made your points known, lobbied for what you want, and then accepted the way that things went down. So that's my mini rant. I will end with this though. That's not to say that you should just give up. If you think that there are real issues with your probate, then you should pursue those. But often they're just hurt feelings. Okay, so let's try to figure out the difference between hurt feelings and bad actions by someone. If someone's stealing money, that's a problem. If someone's not doing what they're supposed to, that's a problem. But if somebody's not answering you fast enough, if someone's not done something in the past to you that makes you distrust them, give them a chance. All right, that is it for today. I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, you can call me 206-659-1512. You can email me, chris@cmslawfirm.com. Keep watching, and I'll talk to you again next week. See ya.